Welcome back to day 2 of Yelagiri camp. In case you missed part 1 video, I given the link below. Check it out, guys. Look how beautiful the camp is. The first thing I did in the morning, talking to the duck. It was a very serious conversation, guys. I just hugged the duck, but it just said quack, 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 quack.
Keeping your hands on his neck. Like this.
I thought you were cute and I hugged you, but you said quack, 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 quack. I thought to play with you, but I'm mad. Quack, quack, quack. Guys, it means I want to leave that duck alone. Bye-bye, duck.
Hey, see, look. Use your knuckles.
This person is so strong.
Yeah, he's so strong. But you're stronger than him. Like this. No, you cannot beat like this, man. You cannot beat like this. You should beat like this. Come on, knock him off. Knock him down.
Come on, I need to kill him.
Knock out panna.
I need to kill him. Okay. Ow, you what?
See, you have to hold like this. See. Like this. Stop.
Guys, you got to work out in the morning, like Meena Mama and me. Then only you will be strong and healthy, just like me and Meera Mama. Oh yeah, I am hitting it. After the workout, you gotta take shower, right, guys? The water was so cool. I enjoyed my shower. It's a long shower. Oh yeah, boomy. Guys, I am going to show you a naughty plant. This plant is called Touch Me Not, the naughtiest plant in the world. I am going to touch the Touch Me Not plant, guys. Look, it's clothing. Look. I am going to touch it and I am going to close it. Haha. These plants are so shy. Guys, then we went to go-kart riding. Me and Meera Mama was so fast. We are faster than the speed of light. Oh yeah, booming. Guys, then I went to Fundera Park. In this park, I got to meet a lot of bunnies. And my favorite one is this one. It keeps eating I ever give it. And I like it. It's definitely good. I want to buy it. That one also wants something from me. Sorry man, I'm not gonna feed you. I also like this one. This is my second favorite one. Look at it, it's so cute. Guys, you seen this ostrich? Why it's so big? It's the biggest ostrich I ever seen in my life. It's bigger than my head. I was so scared to feed it. But my daddy fed it. Guys, do you know the milk comes from this cow right here? Hey Horsey, how are you? This goat is a pygmy goat. It's so cute. It's the cutest goat. Look at the smile. Like it's smiling. Hey donkey, hey donkey, hey donkey, hey donkey. Guys, the best part in this park is feeding the birds. There were so many birds here. I seen a lot of color birds. Guys, when you come to Yelagiri, go to the Fundera Park. Don't ever miss it. Fundera Park means fun park. Hello, buddy. Please eat it. Why you're not eating it? Why you're scared of me? Yay, you're eating it. I love you, buddy. You are the best bird in the world. Why you fly away? Guys, look at Mira Mama. He's the boatman. Boatman. Look, the boat is Mira Mama. All the birds love Mira Mama. Guys, I lastly fed this bird and I became a bird. Look, I don't know what bird I am, but I am a bird.